Hi, I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to clean hair buildup using tea tree oil. In order to clean buildup on your hair, I'm going to show you a simple tea tree shampoo solution to use. To use this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: a half a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and 4 drops of tea tree oil. First, we're going to combine our water with our baking soda. Next, we're going to add our 4 drops of tea tree oil and we're going to mix the mixture. Next, you're going to mix the ingredients all together and then pour it in a small travel-sized bottle. You want to make sure that all of the baking soda becomes absorbed. Once the baking soda is mostly dissolved, you can then pour it into your travel-sized container. There may be a little baking soda left at the bottom, so if there is, just simply scrape it out and pour it into your container. Once you pour it in the bottle, your baking soda may have settled at the bottom. If that's the case, you can just give your container a quick shake and you'll be good to go. To help clean the buildup from your hair, simply put this mixture evenly over the surface of your hair and let sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's done sitting, then wash with warm water, and then you'll have shiny, bright hair. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you clean buildup from your hair using tea tree oil.